Hey guys, how's it going? Today it's your boy LetsGoBJones, and today I got another interesting video for you guys. And this video is going to be, you guessed it, another fashion review. And before we start this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and do all that good stuff because it really helps support the channel out. Anyways, let's get it. Okay, you guys, the brand that I'm going to be reviewing is called Lifework. They are a Korean brand and their mascot is a dog. And the main reason why I'm doing this brand is because I actually did their fashion magazine calendar, the 2020, I think, spring season. That shoot was very good. It was a really great shoot. I had a great time. It was actually one of my biggest shoots I ever did because some of it's actually going to be in a magazine, which is what I heard. Here are some photos from it. Boom, boom, boom. And I'm gonna throw in some more. And you guys know what? Let's just throw in the quick promo video right here. As you guys can see, I did a photo shoot for this brand, and this is not a sponsored video or anything like that. But when we finished that shoot, they did give me some clothes, like 1 or 2 pieces. And you know what I'm gonna do today? Because they gave me that opportunity to work with them, I'm gonna do a review video for them. So without further ado, let's get it. Oh yeah, cue the B-roll. As you guys can see right here, this is the bag they gave me. It's a nice tote carrier bag. It's actually pretty big. It has 2 straps on it. And like I said, the mascot is a dog. It's called Lifework. It's a Korean brand. And I know that they also just opened up a brick and mortar store. So, first of all, here are the socks from my shoot. And let's throw some B-roll in here to make it look nice and fancy. Amazing socks. Whoa. Next we have some pants. Okay, check these pants out, you guys. So on the side of them, they say Lifework Hideaway. Lifework Hideaway. And check out this really nice logo right here. It also has some zippers in the back. They are quite spacious. It has a new smell because I haven't worn these yet. Pockets, we got 2 pockets. Pocket right here, yeah, 2 pockets. And a nice little string for you to, yeah, and this retails for 89,000 won. So like 80 bucks for these pretty fresh pants. I'll put this all on in a moment, so don't worry about that.
Perfect.
Next, I also have one more gear. I didn't get that much from them. Later on, I believe they're sending me some more clothes, but this is the hoodie that they gave me. this is really good. It's a really big hoodie. Check that out, you guys. Look at that. It's big. And then look at the back. Big hoodie. As you can see, this is a large, and this retails for 79,000 won. Yeah, so the pants are actually more expensive than this. Yeah, you guys, that's my review. No, I'm just kidding. Let me go put this on and I'm gonna review it some more for you guys. I'll catch you guys in a moment. As you guys can see, I look pretty fresh in this. I look pretty nice in this, you guys. Look how fresh I look. Let me do some poses for you guys. One. Okay. See my legs? My legs feel really good. It's very comfortable, very stretchy, perfect size for me. It fits perfectly. I realized these has these really cool strings. It has these really cool strings. Check this out. Did it focus? Look at that. That's pretty cool. I've never seen this before. I've never seen this before. But what do you guys think of this clothes? Let me throw some more B-roll of me looking very fashionable wearing this clothes. Okay, you guys, so that's the Lifework. I'm wearing one of their jackets, I'm wearing one of their pants, I'm wearing one of their socks. What do you guys think of this brand? Would you buy it? What do you think of the price of it? What do you think of the design? I'm gonna leave the website and the Instagram below. Leave a comment on the photos you see of me. Whoa. And just tell me what you think of this brand. Would you buy this brand? Is it too expensive? Is it not expensive enough? Anyways, if you guys like this type of videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave in the comments below what kind of videos you want me to make next, what brand I should try out, what brand I should wear next time. And if you want me to check out your clothes, let me know. Send me a message on Instagram or my email, and yeah, let's get some content made. Anyways, like always, you guys take care and fighting. Guys, I want to get a dog now. This dog's so cute.